4 simple steps to get real results dollar in your bank now. Tired of people saying no to your products and opportunity? Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 4 simple steps to get real results dollar in your bank now. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Chances are it's because you're reaching out to unmotivated strangers online. It's not your fault. It's likely what you were told to do. It's time to put an end to all that rejection now. Let's face it. Right now you need real results dollar in the bank. There are 4 simple steps that my friend Valerie used to go from crickets to cash flow in just 3.5 months. From zero engagement and results to never-ending engagement and customers. The best part, when you simply do what she says, it can happen so fast your head will spin. I want to invite you to a FREE training happening Wednesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where she'll tell you exactly what she did, and what you need to do to make it happen. Register now and get the critical steps you need. Thanks for watching my video about 4 simple steps to get real results dollar in your bank now. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.